mess right now because my house is a mess. My plan for the next 2 days is to organize my home. I started yesterday in mine and Josh's closet, but I still need to do our bathroom, the kitchen, and my beauty room. I need to do the kids' rooms too, let's be honest. So I'm gonna start on that today. I'm gonna try and tackle the bathroom and the kitchen, but usually it takes me like a full day to do just one section. And I feel like I'm not even completely done doing my closet because I just have a mess everywhere. So I'm gonna move on to the bathroom and then hopefully the kitchen today. And this is the state of my bathroom. I even have a box right here that I need to go through and organize. I want to show you what my closet is looking like as of now. I did Josh's side and then this dresser here. That used to be in my beauty room and I put all of our colognes and perfume there. And then there's what my side looks like now. I gave up a lot of shoe room, but I do typically keep all my shoes either out there or in my beauty room. So I figured I would move everything to the beauty room. This closet is still kind of coming along. I want to add more storage here, but I'm not quite sure yet. So I'm just going to move on to the bathroom. That's what that looks like down there. It's not too bad. That's what the inside of my drawers look like. And honestly, just like cleaning them out, getting rid of things is what takes the longest. So I'm gonna start on that now. I don't really even know where to begin, honestly. The hardest part, honestly, is getting started. So I usually just grab a trash bag so that I can declutter any trash, expired product, used up product. From there, I do like to pre-organize anything that's on the counters or in the drawers into groups. That way, once everything is clean and I have the bins placed where I want them, I can easily just add product into those bins because it has already been decluttered and pre-organized. It just makes the whole process so much easier. I finished up organizing late last night. Today I'm gonna tackle the kitchen. I definitely needed a coffee for that, but I wanted to give you the grand tour of how everything turned out. I did also set these two products aside because I have talked about them here on my channel and I just wanted to give y'all an update. This glow recipe is so good. I've recommended it before. I've been through like 3 bottles of this. It smells amazing, it feels amazing, and it was really good for my texture. The only reason I haven't repurchased this one is because I ended up getting this Ola Henriksen toner in, I think, a FabFitFun, but it is a dark spot toner, and I've had a lot of breakouts recently, and when I break out, I get dark spots afterwards, so I think this will be good for me right now. And then this CEO Glow, I did end up getting this when it was on sale on Amazon. I did really enjoy it. However, this one, which I've been using for years, is only like $6 or $7 on Amazon, and it's so good. So given the price difference and the fact that I just genuinely love this one, I'm going to say that this one's a little bit better, especially because this one runs like $40 for this tiny little bottle. Let me get my camera off the tripod. I love that this organizer pushes back so I can hide all of these ugly cords. It's seriously the most amazing thing in this bathroom. This is all the kids' stuff that I use to get them ready in the mornings and take their baths with. Of course, Josh got a drawer too, so he knows where all his stuff is at all times. Most of this is just back stock of things that we use around the house, loofahs, Q-tips, hair dye products, and PR products that I really need to use up. Current skincare routine, hair care stuff for right out of the shower, the smaller skincare items like eye cream and things like that. Over here, I went ahead and added some like skincare stuff. I figured having some of this stuff where my, undergarments and PJs are will help me use them more, because I was hiding these underneath the sink, so I never used them. So I feel like if I have them here, I will use them. If they're in plain sight, I feel like I'll grab them It's just like an easier grab and go situation. So I know it's kind of weird to have bathroom stuff in your closet, but it kind of is like a suite here. Let's move on to the kitchen though. I'm like chugging this coffee, but I'm back in the kitchen and I want to get all the countertops cleaned up. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this Alexa right here because it's the one that moves around. I mostly need to just reorganize and declutter down here. I'm just rearranging this coffee corner just a little bit to add in that Alexa and kind of switch it up a bit. I did really like having my coffee station here, so I didn't feel the need to change it too much, but I did take out a big coffee maker that was there before, so I'm just gonna even it out with the little shelves in the middle because I think that looks super cute. I ended up grabbing this literally December 23rd. It was the last one, so I wrapped it up for me and Josh. But even Jace is excited for this little smoothie blender. I got a bunch of stuff to make smoothies in our Walmart order this morning. I think it'll be cute. Just like right here. Oh wow, it like sticks to the counter. My pots and pans cabinet was absolutely the worst. It just gets so cluttered with pots plus their lids plus cooking bowls. There was random things from the air fryer that I didn't even know. I think that was from the mixer. I don't know. There was a bunch of clutter in there. I removed it all and cleaned it up. I did end up going on Amazon and grabbing a pan organizer that holds them up. You'll see that later. I'm about halfway through and this is the state of my kitchen right now. Huge mess. Most of this right here, I think I'm going to declutter. And I think most of this right here is also declutter. This is probably declutter too, but I think a lot of this is Tupperware and stuff. So I'm gonna try and organize that up here. And then this cabinet is basically completely empty at this point except for some candles. This is what my kitchen looks like. The top cabinet is fully organized already, but as you can see, the countertops look a hot mess, and it does get to be overwhelming. If you don't have like a full day to set aside to do this, I would suggest maybe doing one cabinet a day. It was stressful at times, not gonna lie. I feel like I'm not ready to part with these yet, and I've been wanting to manifest a lake house, so I grabbed an empty tub that we have and I labeled it Lake House. We are wanting to start an Airbnb, so I feel like saving this would be a good idea. I totally believe in manifestation and visualizing your goals and seeing them before they happen just helps secure them to you. So as I'm packing these cups up, I am going to visualize myself unpacking them in our lake house that we'll be using as an Airbnb one day. If the lake house never comes, it just wasn't meant to be, and I can just sell all this stuff in a garage sale, but it's gonna happen for us. I'm determined. I'll go ahead and show you what else is in here. Like, there is a full-on, completely perfectly fine blender. I just don't use as much, and it would be nice to have it in a second home just so I don't have to go out and buy that. A random cheese grater, picnic baskets. I feel like this will be perfect in a lake house. Some cutting boards, even a fruit bowl, another mug. And just like that, we have a nice start to a little kitchen vacation home. And there's the final look of the kitchen. The countertops look so neat and clean, as do all of the drawers. These bamboo organizers are from Amazon. This cabinet mostly stayed empty, which I'm very proud of myself for. And here is all of my entertainment stuff. And then this one is all of my everyday items. Look at how good that pan organizer looks. The cabinets, they look so neat and empty. Wow, it's crazy. Here's the before of a $50 cabinet I got from Amazon. I like the cabinet, not gonna lie, but the backing was really cheap, so expect to have to buy something more sturdy for it. I just went with stick-on wallpaper and it didn't work out for me, so you'll see what I end up doing with this. I look a hot mess today because I'm just so ready to be done with this project, and this is the last room that I have. This wallpaper could have been cute, but the cheap boards in the back like just did not do well with the wallpaper, and I didn't want to spend any extra money because I didn't measure it before I bought it, and I wanted to display this because Ellie gets into it and I think it'll just be cuter on display. For now, I give up on it. I have that gold metal frame one in the closet, so I'm just gonna switch those. The only thing is that it's like a light gold and this is like a dark gold, so I kind of feel like they're gonna clash. I also am like brainstorming maybe spray painting the gold shelf black. Look at how bad the bottom of that looks. The boards weren't lining up anymore. There's so many bubbles. So we're gonna hide that away. Major update in this room. Let me get in the corner where I film. That is the new background. How do we feel about these golds? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm gonna live with it for a few days because I'm just, again, ready to be done with this project. But this shelf ended up working out perfectly in this closet just because it's a lot smaller, and I don't even have it pushed back up against the wall yet, and I can reach this corner where I couldn't really reach it before. So I still need to organize in here, but this is feeling really good. My vanity for the most part does stay pretty organized, but I do tend to just toss everything on top of there, and a lot of this is accumulated over the few days that I've been organizing in other rooms. A lot of it's also trash from new product that I've received for Christmas. I just needed to get in organized and then start to move some things around because that spinning organizer was getting too heavy and it was sticking on the plastic vanity cover. The inside of the drawers for the most part do also stay organized, you know, because I have these dividers already, so it makes it easy. But it just needed a good wipe down, and I am very happy that I decided to buy this stick-on wallpaper because it made a really cute drawer liner for my vanity. I had it, so I figured I might as well use it. I probably should have pre-cut it because it did give me a little bit of trouble, but it worked out. I got all the bubbles out and it looks so good. So now I'm just gonna add everything back in here. Here is the final look of the new beauty room. I just realized that I did a big project in this room last year at the new year. I painted all the walls white, and yeah, oh, I forgot to tell y'all about that denim folding hack that Josh sent me on TikTok. I did share it on Instagram stories though. I'm trying to be on Instagram more. Yeah, that just made me dizzy and I lost my train of thought, but there is my vanity area. I moved that 3 cubby shelf from my master into this room and it worked out really nicely. And yeah, all of everything that I use when I'm filming. There's my new makeup drawers with the pink lining on the bottom. So cute. Love it. I'm all done organizing and redecorating this room. It looks so good. It was totally worth the time that I spent to do this. It's a nice new change for the new year, and I'm so excited to start making 2023 content. So if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below. Just in case you're curious on where everything is from, it's from Amazon. And it's linked below. If you've been thinking about doing this and you haven't started, I encourage you to take it one room at a time. Take your time, grab a glass of wine, put some good music on, and try to relax while you do it. Maybe even a sheet mask, because that's what I did when I was hanging those jeans. It's totally worth it. And even when I walk in my kitchen, all my cabinets are closed, but just like walking in there, I feel zen knowing that there's not gonna be clutter if I decide to grab a cup or a plate or whatever. Thanks for hanging out. I have a really fun video planned for my next vlog. It's actually gonna get here tomorrow. I'm in my fitness era, clearly, and I ordered a sauna, so I'm gonna be trying that out next vlog, so make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. That's gonna complete today's video. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.